guys doing? It's Mike with East Bay Paintball Productions, and I'm going to be doing a unboxing of my new dye i5s. I got these bad boys at NorCal Paintball in Vacaville from Jake. $180. I'm sure there's warranties and everything on it. Really nice goggles. Alright, here we go. Me, I like to save the boxes for everything because everything paintball has a pretty good resale value, in my opinion, from what I've sold. I've sold a lot of markers, gotten about the same money I put into them back. These bad boys, I don't think I'll ever be selling these. Ooh, that's nice. See, everything real nice and clean. Got a bag in here. Designed for the art of winning. Yes! We got a fancy warranty card here. We have the mask. Oh my God. These are beautiful. A nice adjuster back here. It's an amazing mask. We got the Gopro Mount here, which I will be testing also. Because as you know, I do produce videos. Alright, so we got this awesome mask. Warning, important safety instructions and guidelines. It's got a little thing for the hooks here for this. So I guess you... Oh! Ooh. This is the most expensive pair of goggles I've ever bought. What do we got here? The GoPro mount. Nice dye sticker to go on my toolbox. Owner's manual. There's a thick owner's manual. Multiple languages. For the straps. The easy release lenses. Then of course I'm sure it talks about the EVS HUD. Oh, the foam is just so nice in there. Soft. And it's easily removable. I saw them do it, but I don't want to do it. We got some nice the clamps here for the lenses. We are going to take out one of these to insert this and then add my GoPro mount to the side there. We will be doing that. Let's see what else. God, these are. Let's see how. I have a huge head, so and I do wear backwards hat when I play. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't think these are gonna fog up. I saw a little fog and then it immediately went away. Got a really nice bag here. It's good because when I bought my V-Force profilers, I did not get a bag, and my lenses always got scratched up. Yeah. My big head. It's nice. Got anything else in here? No hidden EVS system they accidentally left in there. Just a really nice box that I'm going to save. It says mask protection, full coverage. It is a lot bigger than the regular the i4s I tried on because they were only $80 used. But when I tried them on, they're just, you see them, they're so small compared to these ones that I have a big head and I have, you know, little bit of a double chin here. So when I was opening my mouth and talking, you know, you could get like my teeth. I could get shot in the, you know, shot in the teeth. It's not cool. Automatic fit and function, which is this. Rapid lens change. We'll go over that. Anti-fog thermal lens, ultralight. Scream multi-directional venting. Clear communication, rapid heat disbursement, patent pending. So you can scream in there and doesn't hurt your ears. Horizontal 290 lens system, I4s and I5. Optically correct, unmatched visibility. GSR Pro strap, gear lock, head harness. Evoke system compatible, patent pending. So it's got some notches under here and under here. And then there should probably be like some sort of notch inside for the eyepiece for the HUD. Quick release foam. Heads up POV mount, which is this. Soft touch multi-layer foam. Like I said, it's really soft. Sound catch. Encourages auditory clarity. Patent and pending. Compression formed ear protection. Lightweight, moisture wicking, flexible, comfort, and protection. It's very nice. Alright, so first we're going to do the lens removal, and then we're going to do the GoPro mount, because you have to do that anyways. Reading these instructions, though, they're crazy. Like, I don't understand them, and they're using, like, hella words for these things that I don't know. So we're looking at the inside here. Got some latches here, this here. Same thing on the other side. This thing seems to probably go inside. And I'm assuming I unlatch those and just pull it right out. Assuming, if it's easy. You have to push these forward. Alright. Okay, so you push them in on both sides so they're down. And then you slide them forward. Okay, they're both forward. Now I'm going to pull back on this. Now they come down. See that? See that? Actually, it was really simple. I'm just an idiot and I was doing it the wrong way. Alright. Beautiful. Ooh. Nice. Okay. Alright, move the camera a little bit. Alright, so I'm a lefty, so I'm going to be taking this one out. It's really simple. It folds back perfectly, and then it says use a coin. I'm just going to use a screwdriver to turn this. Okay, it's unlocked. Little disc came out. Pop this guy out, and then you pop this one in with the mounts right here. Okay, then you put this back on it, the 2 and the 1. And then that is locked now. Alright. It's pretty on there, pretty thick there, pretty tight. And you use this here to mount. Thank you. So there it is, quick and simple. Only my ignorance was what held me back. So hopefully you can learn from my mistakes and get it done in about 2 minutes. It feels super solid. I'll let you know how the video comes along. I'll be going out January 19th at West Coast Defensive Park. Alright guys.
Back, all eyes on me. Nigga picture I'm rolling, strapped up with that.